Hey everybody, welcome back to Smith's Customs. You got Jacob here. Alright, we got our Project Black Max here, a $3,500 Duramax. Gonna go ahead and we're gonna crawl underneath this thing and we're gonna zip a weld on that exhaust real quick to get rid of that leak. So don't mind the exposure on the phone. I had to turn it all the way down to try to get you guys a good video of this the best I can. Well, we'll have to see. So I'm going to flip this welder on. And we're going to crawl underneath this thing. We got to move back to where I can reach it with a welder. So let's flip this on, get underneath here, and see what we can do. We're going to be using a 220 MIG welder to weld this. Get my clamps and everything in place for the welder, the ground clamp. Get the ground clamp on it. Figure out where I'm gonna put that. Grab the helmet. And then I'll crawl my butt underneath here and see what we can do. Alright, you can see our crack right there, not very big. And it's not even really a crack. It looks like somebody tried cutting this thing apart. Let's go ahead and we're gonna get a weld on it. Alright, well that should seal up the leak, so let's see how that sounds now. That's it on this video, and well, we'll catch you guys on the next one.